Hello, this week I'm reviewing the Ridgeback Speed Hump from JSP. Okay, so this Ridgeback is basically a modular system and it comes in different segments. So these are the end caps and this here is the main body. Okay, and so obviously because you've got this like jigsaw puzzle sort of fitting on the end there, they lock together, interlock, and you can build up, have them as long or as short as you actually want, going across one or two different sections of the road. We've got these here actually in our car park. When you first come in, you see one of these set up. So this one here, you can see it's distinctive because it's got these triangles on here on this Ridgeback, and these are reflective yellow, so it's ideal for at night. It's going to light up so people can see that, they can slow down. It comes in two different heights as well. This one is the 5 centimeter, which means the car can only go a maximum of 10 miles an hour over this one. But it also comes in a slightly thicker version, or higher version, sorry, which is 7.5 centimeters, and that's going to limit the car speed to a maximum of 5 miles per hour. So super easy to put together. Comes as well, you can buy concrete bolts that fit into this, so you can drill it straight onto the road. Also, another feature on this one as well, if we turn it around here, it's got this cable tray underneath, which is a little bit different to this big Ridgeback underneath, which we'll talk about in a moment. But this one here, you can lay in a couple of cables down the road, across the road. So if you, like out here, we've got a security hut, so you want some electric going across for his little heater or his radio or his kettle. And then you can fit an end cap onto the end of that, and then here you can see the cable can go through there, and we could just notch out the end there so the cables can then run across into the security hut or the electrical distribution point. Okay, so that's the main Ridgeback. Now the second one that we've got, let me put this down out of the way. This is super strong. It's made out of like a really high polymer. It's mega durable, so you can feel it's really heavy and solid. And I'll go through some of the specifications just briefly in a moment. Let's put this down here. So this one here, you can see, this Ridgeback, this has got the cable tray on it. So if I turn that round and then we can zoom in. Okay, so this one here, this is the Ridgeback with the cable protector. Okay, as you can see here, it's got this flap that opens and closes on the top. And this is designed to run through some big heavy duty cable. This is the sort of thing you're going to see maybe at a fair, or when you, like even at a market or something, in a local like evening festival or something where they're going to need to run some big industrial cables through. People aren't going to slip over this as well. It's made from 100% recycled plastic. It's also a very effective speed reducer as well. So vehicles can only travel a maximum of 5 miles per hour over this. So it's ideal for any sort of residential or commercial use. And again, this has been tested to 6 tons. So any vehicle 6 ton driving over this isn't going to damage any of the cables or hoses inside. Again, you've got the interlocking system on there as well, which you can see. So the interlocking system, again, it's modular, so you can put as many as you want to. And on this as well, you've also got the bolt holes there where you can fit the concrete bolts and screw this down to the road or wherever, and that's not going to, or even any warehouse, whatever, it's not going to come loose, and it's going to be nice and secure. So thanks to the guys from JSP for sending me in this Ridgeback and the Ridgeback cable protector. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to put some information below, and see you in the next video. For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askady.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.